zoom in for the intro. Oh my god. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a very different style of video today. I have a very special guest with me. This is my boyfriend John.
Hi everyone.
My lovely boyfriend who I often mention in videos, but this is the first time he's on my channel.
So cute.
And today he's going to do my makeup, but there's a catch. He's going to do my makeup without me helping him. He's also going to do my makeup behind my back. He's going to be my arms. This is the no arms makeup challenge. I'm putting all my trust in you.
I just don't want to poke you in the eye or damage anything.
I'm sure you'll be fine.
As long as I like, do I get a rough explanation of what goes where, or do I just have to grab something and do it?
If I give you things in the order of makeup, like primer, foundation, he knows nothing.
Yeah, I was gonna
makeup.
say you're just like no primer a car, but not the face.
It's the same. You
Okay.
put primer on your face.
Right.
This is going to be really interesting.
Learning.
Everything in this video is obviously vegan and cruelty free. All the makeup that we're using today, I will be going through it like a tutorial for you, but John will be doing the makeup.
I'll be learning too.
I'm going to start off today's tutorial with the Wet n Wild Coverall Primer. I'm going to put it everywhere, all over my face. I just need to squeeze out just a little bit, yeah, and then I'm just going to put a small amount, dab it onto my face, forehead, just rub it in. Both hands is always good. It's good to rub it in with both hands. And give your face a really nice rub in all directions because you deserve it. Give yourself a massage. Into your ears. Perfect. We're ready now. We are going to move on to foundation. I'm using the beautiful all-in-one Flawless Foundation by Designer Brands. It's a foundation stick and it's super easy to apply. You just turn up the stick and then you just put it on your face. Just small amounts on your cheeks and on your lips and on your other cheek and on your forehead, into your brows. That's great, just perfect. And now we're going to move on. We're going to put that away and we're going to use the Wet n Wild buffing brush. This one here has got a little bit of hair on it. It doesn't matter. We're just going to use it anyway. We're going to buff the foundation into our face. Small circular motions all over the face. Just buff in your foundation right in your mouth, onto your cheeks. Swap hands because being ambidextrous is a great quality. Using small, fluffy motions into your eyebrow, on your forehead, and I think we're done. Perfect. Flawless coverage. Amazing. I'm going to do my eyebrows now. I'm using this Anika Organic eyeliner pencil in colour Cocoa, and I'm going to go into my brows and just define them, make them look really, really good. So first find your eyebrows and then just start drawing on your eyebrows, pencil them in, and just light strokes, beautiful light strokes. Right down your eyebrow, make your eyebrow long, elongate your eyebrow. Find your eyebrow first and then using small strokes. Perfect. If you use this technique you will look beautiful. All the way down your forehead and almost into your hairline is where you like to have your brows. Perfect. Beautiful. Wonderful. This is the Designer Brands Clear Brow and Mascara Gel. I really like this one. I've been using it for a long time. I'm going to brush my eyebrows so that they sit in place for all day wear. Find your eyebrow again, use that same technique we used before. Perfect. Right to the end, into your hair. Now, smooth it out with your hand, and we're going to find the other brow using the same technique, all the way to the end. Wonderful. You're going to set your brows for all day wear. They won't move now. And why wouldn't you Want them to stay in place all day when they look like this. Beautiful. Next step. I've zoomed you guys in for this shot. You're really going to want to see how I apply my eyeshadow. So I'm using the Wet n Wild palette. I'm going to show you the best technique to apply eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild brush for blending out a crease colour. The one underneath apparently is the shade that we've chosen for our crease colour today. So we're going to go in a little bit higher. That's it. That's a mixture of brown and bronze for our crease colour today. So we're just going to put that really gently in. Nice application. So gentle. That's really beautiful. I mean, getting them identical is ideal, but sometimes, you know, they're not twins, they're sisters. We're going to do a nice gentle circular motion into the side of our nose, and we're going on the crease, as I said before, right down, almost by your cheek if you want to. We are done. I think that is going to be beautiful. I hope you got to see that application. Superb. Once you have your brows and your eyeshadow looking amazing, we are going to move on to mascara. We want long, luscious lashes. And I'm going to use the Anika Long Lash Mascara today. I have been really enjoying this one. It is their new formula. I'm going to close my eyes and use the same technique for finding your brows, find your lashes, and then lightly just layer on mascara. In a downwards motion. Beautiful. We've got it. We've got such a nice application of that mascara. We can move on to the next eye. We are going over to the next eye. We're going to find the eye. I find this technique works the best for me because it lengthens your lashes, and it doesn't matter if you get it on your cheek. We are done. This is the beautiful Anika Sun-Kissed Baked Bronzer. Wow, that's all organic, all vegan. We're just going to use this as a contour and bronzer. I'm going to contour the side of my cheeks, really carving them out just to make me look really, really fierce today. You can use your fingers to find your cheekbone and then just go straight down. Really strong, distinctive motions. This is the perfect technique. Turn your brush on your side and go down the side of your cheek. Really strong. Perfect. Down by your chin is good too. You want to carve out your chin. We're going to go into the top of my forehead now, and we're going to run that along the top of the forehead just to really contour and get my 5 head becomes a 4 head. Wow. This is the E.L.F. Under Eye Concealer and Highlighter Stick. We are going to draw the triangles underneath my eye. Underneath my eye. That's perfect. Yeah, a little bit higher is the best application for this concealer. And the triangles this time are actually pointing up towards my eye versus downwards. There we go. Now we're going down. We're trying a new technique today. And now with your beauty blender or makeup sponge, you're just going to bounce that on your face and completely blend in your concealer up a little bit higher where we drew those triangles. Up a little bit higher. Sometimes we can get it on the nose, so we can blend it out there as well. This is a great technique I like to use. It just makes me feel really good and bouncy in the morning. My favorite part of any tutorial is of course highlighting. I'm going to use the Designer Brands strobing stick. This is their flawless strobing stick, and I love it because you can just swipe it on in the morning. It's super easy. You just use the stick and apply it to the high points of your cheekbones, giving you that flawless finish. Find your cheekbones and stripe it on. Perfect. In a strobing motion, just beautifully across the face. Watch how I do that so swiftly. Now we're going to use our fingers and we're just going to dab that all along with those high points. Not rubbing it out so it disappears completely, but just dabbing it onto our cheeks. Dab, 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 dab. That's beautiful application there. Glowing and flawless. Again, I've zoomed you in so you can see my perfect application of using a lipstick or lip gloss. This is the Anika Watermelon Lip Glaze. It is a bright pink, gorgeous colour. It goes perfectly with this eye look of brown, smoky eye. Luscious lips are the achievement here. That's my nose. That is the best application. Down the bottom. Oh, perfect. And the top lip too. Don't forget about your top lip. If you get it on your teeth, it doesn't matter. You can just use your finger and wipe it off. Perfect. We're going to go for a second layer because nobody loves lipstick like I do. I like to have like a really sexy fish trout pout. We want this look to last all day. Who wouldn't? And we're going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray. This one here is so easy to apply. Just give it a small shake and then you are going to just spray it all over the face in a downwards motion, and close your eyes and your mouth and then spray it all over your face. Perfect. That's good. Guys, that is my finished makeup look. I hope you really loved this tutorial. I think it looks better than anything else I've done on my channel. I think that you should try it out. The colours that I used are the best, and it's all vegan and cruelty free, so you can't really go wrong. Only an artist could really create this look. I just think it looks flawless. Would you like to see it, John? Okay.
I actually really did try my best. Like, I did actually really try.
You were very gentle.
Yeah. Am I allowed to look now?
1, 2, 3. You almost swore.
You look like it, like the It clown. Holy.
But these brows are just on another level. Like, you drew them all the way down to my temples.
Is that the pencils? I thought that was the eye dust stuff that you put on with the brush.
Oh, the eye dust, the eyeshadow.
Oh, that. Whoa. Okay, yeah. Can we get like a good close up of this? That is flawless. That looks tragic. That looks like a hard night on the town. How did I get it on your nose? Is that the mascara?
So if you want to recreate this look, it's super easy to do. You just need to borrow a pair of arms.
Get someone who knows absolutely nothing. It looks great.
Do I look beautiful?
Always.
I hope you really liked this video. Please leave a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more of John on my channel, you can leave a comment below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye guys.
Bye. Well, I can't use that.
Oh, so are we, like, are you filming? I thought we were, I didn't think we were filming.
Okay, I'll do my little intro. What should I say? I'll just be like, this is a different... Yeah. What do you want? Well, it's hard for you because you're not really flexible. To see how I apply my... What's this called?
Like, oh, so sorry. Oh, I don't know what happened. Oh my gosh.
Okay. There we go.